Good evening, housemates.
Good evening, big brother.
Welcome to your first arena game of the season. Housemates,
Yes, big brother.
there are 6 games for you to play tonight. And the winner will be the housemate who completes the course in the fastest time possible. The first game is called Inflate and Balance. There is a bowl filled with deflated balloons. You must pick up one balloon from the bowl, inflate, and tie it. You must then walk the beam while bouncing your balloon with one hand. When you reach the end of the beam, deposit the balloon into the basin and proceed to the next game. The second game is the ping pong bounce. For this game, all you have to do is put a ping pong ball into the empty crate by bouncing it off the table. When you arrive at the Game 3 station, you will find a bowl of beads and another bowl bearing an empty bottle. Pour the beads into the bottle until the beads exceed the marked line. When you finish, you must lift the bottle to show Big Brother the results. Do you understand?
Yes, baby.
Standing on the marked spots, all you have to do is throw 2 rings and ensure they land around the targets. There are 21 red cups on a table. All you have to do is stack the cups to replicate the provided reference. There is a bucket containing some colored balls. There is also a board with multiple holes. All you have to do is throw one of the balls into any of the holes on the board. The winner of the first arena game for the season is Joanna.